The first modal verb we're gonna cover is can. We use can to express ability or lack of ability in both present and future. For example, I can't live without coffee. I earn a lot of money and I can buy anything I want. I can check this information for you. We also use can to give permission, or in the negative context, prohibition. In other words, we use can to show what we are allowed to do and what we aren't allowed to do. For example, you can't come to work dressed like that. Meaning, you are not allowed to come to work dressed like that. You can leave the car in the parking lot. Meaning, you are allowed to leave the car in the parking lot. We also use can to make a request. For example, can you please stop yelling at me? Can you help me with my chores today? Can you introduce me to Lisa, please? Another usage of can is to express possibility, something we believe is possible to happen in the future. For example, he can lose his temper when he finds out what you've done. Meaning, there is a good possibility that he will lose his temper when he finds out what you've done. He believes he can win the lottery. Meaning, he believes there is a good chance he will win the lottery. The summer can be quite hot in this part of the world. Meaning, there is a good possibility that the summer will be hot. One more way we can use can is to show that something can't be true, or at least we believe it's not true. For example, look at him. He's wearing this torn, cheap jacket all the time. He can't be a millionaire. Meaning, I don't believe he is a millionaire. This thing is 14 carats of gold. It can't be cheap. Meaning, I don't believe this thing is cheap. Now, let's move on to the next lesson. Stay tuned.